To solve such an equation, we focus so much on the base. So we have base 2, and then 3. So when you have an operator's plus, you obey the law of logarithm. So we come and say we shall have log base 2 of x minus 1 into x minus 3. So we multiply is equal to 3. So we multiply the arguments. So we have log base a of m. So we are obeying the law, plus log base a of n is log base a of m times n. So that's the law that we obey to multiply there. So we can write it as a number as indice form. So we have x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 2 power 3. So we have written it as indice form. So we go ahead to expand. So we have x, but before we expand, we simplify 2 to power 3 as 8. So we go ahead now to expand. So if you have understood up to this level, please don't forget to like this video. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. So you are expanding x squared minus 3x, then minus x, then plus 3 is equal to 8. So we go ahead to simplify, correct like terms. We have x squared minus 4x, and then plus 3 minus 8. So we are going to correct like terms together by bringing 8 this side. So we shall have x squared minus 4x plus 3 minus 8 is equal to 0. So simplifying this, we have x squared minus 4x, and then minus 5 is equal to 0. So we go ahead to use any way to solve the equation. So using factorization in this case, we have x minus 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we come and say either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this gives us now, when we get the values, it gives us, by doing the necessary manipulation, we have x as 5 and also x as negative 1. If you have understood up to this level, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and sharing it with your friend such that we understand together. We meet in the next. Thank you.